calamity of creation, wild adventure begins. First time parents, buckle up, for the tale of childbirth spins and spins. Within our bodies, where nerves and excitement collide, a scene unfolds with laughter and pride. Beneath the night sky, like rookies on a stage, first timers in the birthing game, get ready for the engage. Contractions, surprise guests at a party unknown. Nature's way of saying, hey, you're not alone. With each breath, a high five, Mother Earth. Our bodies in the spotlight for a miraculous birth. The pelvis, the stage door to a world untold. First time parents, get ready. Let the story unfold. Nature's comedy, a mix of pain and gain. Yet within it, a chance for a memory lane. The uterus, garden, where surprises take root. The first timers dance to a birthing beat, a hoot, a dance with contractions, a cry. First time parents, nerves and galore. In the laboring storm, find your own calm. Nature's rhythm within, like a smoothing song. Crowning glory, a moment both crazy and divine. Nature's plot twist in a rookie's resilience, a story well told. Within your bodies, where nature holds. Childbirth, a wild ride from your very core. First timers got this. Hear the encore. In the chaos and joy, a tale to be spun of how childbirth is nature's first time parent fun. In a cozy nook of suburbia, Emma and Jake anticipated parenthood in their joys awake. Their home echoed laughter, a symphony so sweet, awaiting the arrival of tiny little dancing feet. With honesty as their guide, fear laid bare, they turned to their heavens into a love-filled lair. Contractions played tunes, a laboring song. Emma's nerves swirled, but with humor they throbbed. In the living room's glow, amidst nursery art, nature's dance begins, a journey to start. The comedy of contractions, a humorous spree. Jake's dad's jokes, turning tension to glee. A sanctuary of love, where true feelings flowed. Their journey together, a real life ode. Sharing dreams in quiet moments between a bond growing stronger. A love evergreen. As labor intensified, a storm in their eyes. Emma's strength echoed a maternal surprise. In the chaos, a calm found in each other's gaze, navigating uncertainty in love's warm embrace. Crowning glory arrived, a moment so grand, their laughter and tears, a duel hand in hand. A co-authored story, their baby's first breath, a testament to love, transcending life and death. Now their home echoes with the newborn's grace, a chorus of joy, a sweet lullaby embrace. A chorus of joy, a sweet lullaby's embrace. In Emma and Jake's tale, a beacon they'd be, true empowerment and happiness for parents to be. In the cradle of creation, a symphony begins. Within our body, where journey's life spins. Childbirth, a dance with nature's gentle sway, a testament to strength and a miraculous display. Beneath the moon's soft glow, a story unfolds. Within our essence, where life's mystery molds. Contractions, like whispers of a secret divine. Nature's rhythm within, an ancient design. With each breath, a communion with earth, our bodies, vessels of life in a miraculous rebirth. The pelvis, a gateway to a realm untold, a sacred journey within, a story to be extolled. Nature's poetry written in the language of pain, yet within it blooms the beauty of life's gain. The uterus, a garden where miracles take root, as a mother's strength, like a timeless salute. A dance with contractions, a primal embrace, our bodies like rivers, flowing with grace. In the laboring storm, we find our own calm, nature's rhythm within a soothing balm. Crowning glory, a moment so divine, nature's masterpiece in the birthing line. A testament to resilience, a story well told, within our bodies, where nature unfolds. Childbirth, a miracle from our core, nature's whisper forevermore. In the strength of woman, a tale is spun of how childbirth is nature in each and every one.